Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Weatherwise. So today I just want to show you how you can create a brand channel on YouTube. Remember, a brand channel allows you to add other admins and managers like we do for social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. So you can add other people to manage your YouTube channel, but you still maintain ownership. So that becomes very useful for you who are celebrities and you are professional. You do not have all the time to do other things, so you can have other people on your channel. Rather than just giving them access to your YouTube account or Google account, you can actually just add them to your brand channel. So you're gonna go to www.youtube.com/account, and whilst logged in, you'll be able to see this screen. As you can see, you can it won't show my channel on your PC, but it will show the details of your account. So it's showing Weatherwise, and because I'm logged into the Weatherwise account. So you have to come to create new channel, and this is all the details. It says create your channel name. You can use your brand's name or another name. A good channel name represents you and your content. You can change your channel name at any time. So I'm going to add a channel called Gops Class. Yeah, and then I understand. Then I'll go ahead and create it. So it says this channel does not exist, and we'll go to the icon there on top right, and we're going to go to switch account. As you can see, I have 3 channels showing under this email address. So I will go to Gops Class and click on it. Yes. So it says Gops Class, and then I'm going to customize my channel. It will take me to YouTube Studio, where I'll be able to make changes. Yeah, so about branding, I'll upload the logo later, as well as all these. I have them, but I'm going to go to basic information. And then my interest is on the channel handle. I don't want it to have the F whatever they've added. Yeah, because I want to own this. Yeah, so I'll add the description later. I'll add the language. This channel is in English. Yes. So this is the channel URL, or somebody can still just use the handle and they'll get to the account, and I'll add the website. I'll add other links. Yes, I'm going to add another link. So let this be HTTPS. Okay, I'll add that later. So ideally that's it. And contact information, info@gopsclass.com. Yeah, so people can contact this channel on those details. So yeah, basically That's it. And okay, so we're going to go back to branding, and then we can add a logo. I hope it fits. Yeah. And then we upload. Okay, so guys, this is how you create a brand channel. So I'm going to go back to youtube.com/account and show you. So this is my new channel that I've created, and I can add or remove managers. So I'm going to add users. So as you can see on manage permissions, first of all, when you look at this, it says GOPS class brand account limited to YouTube, meaning I cannot use this account on other Google services. This is specifically a YouTube channel. That's basically what it means. I can delete it if I want at any time, and this will be able to go just like that. So we're going to go to manage permissions if we want to add users to this channel. So I'm the primary owner. It says Weatherwise primary owner. So like I said in the beginning of this video, any other person I add will be either another owner or just a manager. So I can also just add them if I want. If we are two owners, you can set up a channel and partner with other people to create that channel or to manage that channel. So you will be able to throw content there and earn from monetization together. So you will be able to create that brand separate from your accounts. It's a separate entity on its own. So I'll select manager and invite. So this one has been invited, and she will obviously get a notification on email, and she will be able to create that account. Yeah. And she will be able to log in and just find that channel on her account. Thank you so much for watching. This is Weatherwise. Remember to subscribe this channel and share this video for others to also learn how to create a brand channel. This is one way I will get to be appreciated for my efforts to create content that gives you guides and tech tips that you need.